Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn Together. So today I'm going to teach you about Python. So this is my first YouTube channel which I'm being posted in this. So uh, here I'm going to teach you about Python and other programming languages, vice versa. So let's start today's video by the introduction of Python. So what is Python? Python is a popular programming language created by Guido van Rossum in the year 1991. It is used for web development, software development, system scripting, and many other things like game development. So, what can we do with Python? So, it can be used as a server-side scripting language for the web-based applications, and it can also be used to control the database by connecting to it and also reading, modifying, and deleting the data from the database. So why do we use Python instead of C and C++? Because Python is available on all the platforms, and Python is a very simple language. The scripting syntax in the Python are very simple when compared to the C and C++ or Java, which are the most commonly used programming languages. And Python is available on all the different platforms like Windows operating system, Linux operating systems, and Mac OS also. You can directly install the Python from the official web page, and it is an open source and it doesn't charge you anything to use. So today I'm going to teach you about how to install Python in your OS. So first step is we need to open. Wait a second. Let me share my screen for that. So first step is you need to open the new Windows tab. Here, you need to search for python.org. This is the official website of Python where you can learn and at the same time you can install Python. So you need to go into the download session and where you can find the option to install the Python for Windows, and here you can download for Mac and other platforms. It is available over here. And if you need some like you need some resources to study and something, all you can do is go into documentation session where you can get the developers guidebooks, or directly you can download the Python documentation from here. So so here's and the latest version of the Python is 3.1.3.11.0, and I am using 3.11.10. I'm sorry, 3.10. So let me show you. After you download the Python, you just need to double click on the downloaded file where you can you get a pop-up window to install. You just need to install it, and it's a very few simple step. Click on the install now or custom install your Python application, and then you need to do is go to your search bar, search for IDLE. IDLE means Integrated Development Learning Environment. Open it, and here you go. Excuse me. Yeah, here you go. This is the IDLE which will be open for the Python, you know, where you can write the scripts. All you need to do is create a new file, then write your code. And you need to save it with extension called .py, which tells a system that that it is a Python file which need to be executed whenever called. And from here, you can just directly run the program. Here you can see the output. Hello world. Please subscribe to my channel. So guys, for the future content, you can directly subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos, and let's learn together and never stop learning.